wardrobe on 10. There's at least 100, everything gon' flee. That's why she keep me coming, don't need no weed. Just so I can grab it if I'ma spend this money on I need the.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So we're back with another makeup tutorial video. So today we are looking to achieve this Valentine's Day cut crease look here. Valentine's Day is around the corner, sis. We gotta start planning our makeup, our hair, our nails, our outfit, everything. I want you to make sure you look good, feel good when you know, with your man, or you receive your little cute little gifts, or get asked to be a Valentine, or get asked to be a girlfriend, whatever the case is, okay? We got to make sure we stay good, looking good 100% of the time, okay? So if you're looking to achieve this look here, stay tuned and watch the video. Okay, so of course I did my eyebrows off camera. I'm going to start off with the AOA brush on concealer. Just going to apply the concealer on both of my eyelids and just blend them out evenly. Then I'm going in with the Jeffree Star Morphe palette. Love this palette. I'm going to use the light pink shade right there. And just going to apply that on the eyelids, having it being the first color being applied. Then I'm going back in and I'm going to use that purple, like pinkish color shade. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that right over the first eyeshadow that we applied. And just blending them out. And you can apply as much of the eyeshadow as you want, kind of depending on how pink you want the eyeshadow of yours. Then I will go in with the brown to kind of darken it a little bit on both sides. Like I said, you are more than welcome to brighten the pink if you like, or even the brown as well. Then I went back in with that purple eyeshadow and kind of just went over just to blend it all in, because I felt like the brown was kind of overpowering the pink and I didn't really like that too much. So I went back in and blended that some more. Then I went in with the e.l.f. concealer to go ahead and start my cut crease. And I'm just doing a small cut crease, and I'm going to go ahead and do that on both eyelids. Just doing a halfway cut crease. Doesn't have to be super perfect. Then I went in with the purple eyeshadow there, and just kind of going over the cut crease line that we had, just to kind of define the line that we had just created of that cut crease. And I'm gonna as well go back in with that brown to kind of, like I said, detail that line a little bit more and make the eyeshadow pop, and so it's not, the cut crease isn't overpowering the eyeshadows we had applied prior. Then I went in with that light peach color there and just kind of applied it on my base to just kind of give it more of a tone set color. And then I'm going in with the glittery eyeshadow and just applying it and I went in with another shade of glitter eyeshadow there, just applying it over. Just kind of want to make it as glittery as possible. Then I went in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use the white eyeshadow that's on the palette and kind of just putting it like in my inner duck, just kind of making it more broad and just kind of make the eyes pop a little more. Then I went back in with the same glitter eyeshadows that we used prior and just kind of overpowering the white that we had applied. Then I went back in with the same brushes with not getting extra eyeshadow. Then we're gonna go ahead and start with our eyeliner, and this is I used the brown eyeshadow that we had used prior just to kind of make this eyeliner. I didn't want to do a black eyeliner because I just kind of wanted it to be kind of like a soft cut crease look. Where it focuses mainly just on the eyeshadow, and that's kind of exactly what this look did. So we're just going to make a cute eyeliner out of the brown eyeshadow that we had used. And we're just going to blend that out as much as we possibly can to the other eyeshadows, not making it look crazy. Then I just went in with mascara and I just applied on both of my eyelashes. And I use these lashes here. They're from Shein. A little more of like a natural dramatic, not super dramatic. And of course I went with my Salon Pro hair glue to apply my lashes. Will forever be my favorite lash glue that I use. Very effective. Then I went in with the AOA Brush On Concealer again and just applying my first base of concealer because, you know, these bags gotta get handled. So just applying that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and carry that concealer out just to basically fix up the eyeshadow that we kind of had overdid, and just kind of make it have a cleaner look. And then just blend that all out evenly. And of course I'm gonna go ahead and take whatever excess concealer that's on the brush and just go ahead, or on the sponge, and just go ahead and blend out my acne scars. Then I just went in with this Wet n Wild powder, just powdered my whole face, get a lot of the oils away, so that way my foundation could go on smoothly and just look a little more matte. Then I did use this AOA foundation. And this foundation felt very light, which I did like. And I'm just going to go and apply that throughout my whole face and just blend that all out evenly. Then I'm going to go in with my beauty sponge and really press in this foundation so it's really in my skin and, you know, not making it not look so oily. Then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. concealer and just blend that out for my second base. And just cover my nose so we could start the contouring. Then I went in with the Ace Beauty contour palette that I love. And, you know, of course, start my contouring. The duck face is crucial, y'all. It is crucial for me. I don't know about y'all, but it's crucial for me. I have to. It's the only way I could nail down my contouring. Then we're going to go ahead and start with the contouring of the nose. And just blend it all out so it looks evenly fit. And then we're going to go in with the Revolution Banana Powder and go ahead and set my face. Like I said, I usually don't bake. I usually just go ahead and apply the powder, kind of push it on to really kind of matte it down, and then just apply it in all the necessary areas. Get rid of all of the excess oils or looking like a little oily, and then just brush it all off. And I went back in with the same brushes I used for the contouring, not adding any extra product, just going back over the contouring that we did just to kind of make it look a little more detailed and fine. Then I went in with my Perfect Complexion palette and just applied my blush. I need to get a better blush. If y'all have any recommendations as far as blush, leave it in the comments down below because your girl needs a new one. Then as far as highlight, I went ahead and used my Anastasia Glow Kit and just applied that highlight. Look at that highlight, girl. It's glowing, okay? Apply that on the nose, and of course my LA lip liner. And I went in with the Pixie liquid lipstick as well. And I just went back over with my lip liner because I didn't like how the lipstick kind of covered my lip liner. So I went back in to make it redefined. And I went in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going ahead and get that white eyeshadow and applying it to my inner duct, making it pop a little more, let it connect with how we first applied it the first time, and kind of bringing it down a little bit just to kind of give the eyes more of a defined look. And of course, bottom mascara. And that's the finished look, and I'll be right back so I can do my hair. Okay, so I went ahead and did my hair off camera. So this is the finished look here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I mentioned earlier, Valentine's Day is around the corner, and we definitely want to be prepared, sis, in that last minute trying to figure out these things. So I hope you guys stay tuned, because I am going to post some more of this Valentine content, kind of just putting more makeup ideas out there for Valentine's Day. And I hope that one of the looks will inspire you, or you know, you possibly fit one of your outfits that you have planned. I want y'all to feel good, look good. You know, that's what your sis is here for, okay? So I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I see you next time.